Welcome to Day 4 of Aircraft of the Day. The BD-4 is an American light aircraft designed by Jim Bede for home building and available since 1968. It was one of the first home-built aircraft to be offered in kit form. It remains one of the world's most popular home-builts with thousands of plans sold and hundreds of examples completed to date. General information: type, recreational, utility aircraft. Manufacturer, Bede Corp for home building. Designer, Jim Bede. History. Introduction date, 1968. First flight, 1968. Developed
From BD-4. Tune in tomorrow for Day 5 of Aircraft of the Day.